Join me as I dive into the mindset of successful entrepreneurs and challenge myself to adopt their habits for a week. The entrepreneurial mindset is a unique way of thinking that sets successful entrepreneurs apart from others. It's a mindset that's focused on innovation, risk-taking, and perseverance. Having this mindset is crucial for achieving success in the business world, as it allows entrepreneurs to navigate challenges and stay motivated in the face of uncertainty. One of the biggest hurdles entrepreneurs face is fear of failure. It's natural to feel scared when starting a new venture, but successful entrepreneurs don't let fear hold them back. They understand that failure is a stepping stone to success, and that every mistake brings them closer to their goals. Another challenge entrepreneurs face is uncertainty, not knowing what's around the corner or how to overcome obstacles. But instead of getting bogged down, they focus on finding solutions and moving forward. Uncertainty can be overwhelming, but entrepreneurs who succeed are those who can adapt quickly to changing circumstances. They're able to pivot when necessary and find new opportunities in unexpected places. This adaptability is key to staying ahead of the curve and achieving long-term success. By being open to new experiences and learning from their mistakes, entrepreneurs can build resilience and develop a growth mindset. In addition to adaptability, entrepreneurs also need to be visionary, able to see opportunities that others might miss. They have a clear idea of what they want to achieve and are able to inspire others to join them on their journey. This vision is what drives them forward, even when things get tough. And it's not just about having a vision, it's also about being able to execute it, taking action towards making that vision a reality. So what does a successful entrepreneur look like? Let's take the example of Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple. He was known for his innovative ideas, his passion for design, and his perseverance in the face of adversity. When Jobs was forced out of Apple, he could have given up, but instead he used that setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. He came back to Apple with a vengeance, and the rest, as they say, is history. The key traits that define a successful entrepreneur include resilience, adaptability, and vision. These are the qualities that enable entrepreneurs to overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve their goals. By developing these traits, anyone can cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset and start building their own successful business. If you're looking to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, it's essential to focus on building these key traits. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, understanding the mindset of successful entrepreneurs can help you achieve your goals. By adopting their habits and thought patterns, you can overcome challenges and stay motivated.